Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Binary Trading. Today, oh my gosh, we've got some crazy auto trading action. But first, quick warning, don't try this at home. Seriously, it's a total high-risk move. But if you do try, you better tell me in the comments how it went for you. All right, checking my auto trader settings. And let's launch. No manual control, I can literally go grab a coffee. Wait. No! Stop. I just realized I didn't check my trade amount, and I started auto trading with $1,000 per trade. With my not so big account, this is insane risk, and it already opened 9 trades before I could react. Now I'm super nervous to see how these trades close. Even though I trust my bot from vfxAlert, the market can still be so unpredictable. Honestly, I just wanted to film a quick video for you, and now I'm in a heart-pounding situation. Here's my advice. Always double-check your settings before you hit start. Trades are closing, and wait. My balance is going up. This is unbelievable. I planned to let the auto trader run for an hour, but thanks to my little mistake, I just made profit in a couple of minutes. I started with $28,890, and now my account shows $33,010. Huge thanks to vfxAlert for not blowing my account and actually making me money today. My nerves? Totally gone for the day. That's it for now. Thanks for watching until the end. More crazy videos are coming, so make sure you're subscribed and ready.